The Turtle and Nature Park is situated here in Senegal, West Africa. This is an initiative undertaken by different organizations who want to try to save endangered and sick sea turtle in West Africa. As you may know, West Africa, most of the sea turtle are interacting drastically with fishing gear. Each year, thousands of sea turtle are stranded to death by fishing gear. And now, here in Senegal, we are trying to establish a rescue facility in order to provide the needed care to these animals to be safe and rehabilitate in order to go back to the ocean where they belong. This is our story. Today is a happy day because we are now about to release the loggerhead sea turtle who was stranded here in the mangrove channels in Joal Fadiout area. This event happened on September 6th, and we was able to provide some care to these wonderful animals, and now is ready to go back to his home, the sea, and with our partner, the marine protected area of Joal, and the local NGO Agir, we was able to coordinate our effort, and ACI, of course, to save these wonderful adult female sea turtle loggerhead. The mangrove channels usually they get lost, they don't get track on the current and get stranded. That's why we are doing that. This is so important for us to be able to do that, but with our small resources. But now we are looking forward to be able to have a rescue facility. The Parc Tortues Nature was designed to be able to address this kind of issue, and we are trying the best we can to fundraise and to be able to give a hope.
Je ne peux pas dire autre chose, c'est de remercier tout un chacun qui a contribué à la mise en œuvre et au relâchement de cette espèce.